My Lord, when we adjourned on Friday, Mr. Ramsipil was about to start cross-examining on Exhibit A198. It's the affidavit of Brigadier Gininda, dated the 3rd of commissioned on the 23rd of October 2020, and the court wanted to find out if or what the page number is on the record. We looked at the record, my lord, and as we pointed out, the affidavit is already on record as Exhibit ZZ.
That's it, yeah.
And the relevant page of the record is page 33 of the proceedings of the 22nd of January 2024.
Okay.
It was canvassed from page 33 on the 22nd of January 2024 up until page 44 of the record of the 22nd of January 2024. Then just one last aspect, my lord, to correct the record. I think Mr. Ramsipili put it to Brigadier Gininda. He remarked that Brigadier Gininda was mentioning Mr. Absalom Zungu, that is now the father of Constable Zungu, for the first time in evidence in chief. If my memory, I hope I'm not misquoting Mr. Ramsipili. But during the proceedings of the 29th of November 2023 at page 43, and we're just merely correcting the record, my lord.
Okay, yeah.
The following was said at line 13 during cross-examination by Mr. Mgomezulu. Now, I understand the logic of your answer, but the question still stands. When he was arrested on that is now with reference to accused number 1.
Yeah.
When he was arrested on the 30th, on the J50, let me say, before he was approached by Sergeant Mohola and Sadiq and Butelezi, the state had no evidence against him until such time accused 1 made the confession. Then Brigadier Gininda answered, I disagree, my lord. It is what I am saying. For one to focus on a specific individual, there must be a basis in the form of a statement or intelligence or a source saying this person committed this crime. So you cannot just go and question a person when there is no basis for that person being implicated. Then on page 44, starting from line 1, in fact from the previous page, the last page, Mr. Mgomezulu, yes, those are the links towards obtaining what you are saying, but what I am saying, the evidence at that time before his arrest depended on the information of the informer. Is that so? Then Brigadier Gininda answered, no, that is not what I'm saying. I am saying, my lord, when you approach someone, you have to have a base whether it is information from the source or a statement making certain allegations. All that I'm saying is that there was a reason for us to focus on Mr. Sibiya. So I'm not saying it is a source, because I am now getting the impression as if I'm saying there is a source. And now follows the important part. There is a statement, my lord, in the docket which we disclose to the defense of Mr. Absalom Zongo. It is clearly implicating accused 1 and 2 in this matter, and that is what led us to focus on accused 1 and 2. Then Mr. Mgumezulu, Absalom Zongo, as you say, his statement is here, it is discovered. Then finally on page 45, Brigadier Gininda states the following from line 2. There was a base as to why we approached accused 1, because in that statement of this particular person, accused 1 and 2 are implicated as being involved specifically in the killing of Senzo Meyiwa. That is all that we just wanted to correct the record. As a court basis.
Are you satisfied with that, Mr. Maramusepi?
As the court basis, my lord, indeed I am. And in fact, on Friday, when we left, we even canvassed this, and the brigadier repeated exactly the same utterances, man.
Yeah, okay.
So I am satisfied.
Mshushu sebefunda ke ubufakazi bange-29 kaNovember kunyaka ondlule la asho khona ukuthi ngoba uMr. Ramsepile beshilo ke kufakazi ukuthi bekukokuqala ekhuluma lana ke ngestatement sakhe uAbsalom Zungu, kodwa ke kulokho oqeda ufundwa manje kuyatholakala ukuthi ngoNovember ke kunyaka ondlule ngazo i29 days kwakubona ke ubufakazi bakhe ehlonywa imibuzo yena ke uMr. Ngomezulu la akhuluma khona ke ngestatement sakhe uAbsalom Zungu la sisho khona ke statement ukuthi ke sikhuluma ngaye umsola wokuqala kanye nowesibili.